I'm going to show you how to create a Google My Business listing and why this is important. Hi, this is Bertie van Grienen from Network Marketing Services, and here is what you're getting today. How to get in front of your competitors, how to increase your search ranking in Google, and how to show up in Google Maps. Here's why this is so important. You want your dealership to stand out from your competitors, right? Having a Google business listing will help viewers to easily find you on any mobile device. And because people do search for products, deals or services in your local area. Here's how this video will help you. I'm going to show you how to create a Google My Business listing. Or if you already have one, I will show you how to optimize your existing listing. I'm also going to show you how to position your marker correctly, as Google tend to not show the physical address correctly on the map. And finally, I'm going to show you how to verify your listing. This is a critical step most people do not complete. Right, so the first thing that we're going to do is type the name Google My Business in the search bar. Previously, this was known as Google Places. Now, if you are logged out of Google, you will see this page. Click on the blue or sign in button. You now have to sign in, or if you don't have a Google account or need to sign in with a different account, click on different account. Enter your details or create another account. Once your account has been created and you are logged in, you will see this page. Type your business name in the search field. Now for demonstration purposes, I've just typed in Bertie's Car Dealership, Cape Town, South Africa. If your name does not appear, you will need to go ahead and add your business. You will now be presented with this form. This is where you need to make sure your company name, street address and phone number is exactly the same than your website. It must be spelled exactly the same. Your phone number, if needed, must be updated on the website to ensure the spaces is exactly the same. I cannot emphasize this enough. Also choose a category that relates to your business. For example, if you're a Toyota dealer, then select Toyota dealer or Toyota car dealer. Or if you're a Mercedes dealer, select the Mercedes-Benz dealer. Your second and your third category can be car dealer, or if you do sell used cars, select used car dealer. Just complete the form and hit continue. You will need to confirm the information given and also read the terms of services. Once you are happy, tick the box and continue. A Google Plus page will be created on your behalf. Once the page has been created, you will notice on the left hand side it will show you are on a Google Plus page. You will also notice the name on top, which represents your company name. Unfortunately, people in South Africa struggle to use this platform, but since Google give it to you, I will suggest to at least go to the About section and complete all the sections. Right, so if you do have an existing Google listing, you will go through the exact same steps as explained right in the beginning, but instead of adding a business, you will now select your business name. Click on the View Dashboard button, and the first thing you will notice is the business section indicated at the top left. This page is a summary of how people found your dealership as a local business and how they are interacting with your business. You will also notice if your business has been verified by Google, you will have this verified tick icon next to your name. So we are going to explore your setup criteria and make sure everything has been set up correctly. So just click on the edit button, and this first section must show 100% completed. If not, you will need to go through each and every section and complete all the criteria. Now again, please make sure the company name is spelled exactly the same as on your website. For instance, some people will write Mercedes-Benz without the hyphen. Now that to Google is a different business. Also make sure that you do not use a PO box within your address section. It must be a physical address. If the location indicator on the map does not look right, click on the pencil icon. Then click Edit Marker Location. This will allow you to drag the marker to show more accurate on the map. This will not update your address you completed within the form. For instance, on your left you will see it says, in this case, 1 Pacific Close, Somerset Crossing. So this will not be updated, but the marker will show correctly on the map. Also make 100% sure your email address is correct, your website is correct, and your phone number is exactly the same than on your website. If there's a difference on your website, please go back to your website and correct it. The category sections, as I mentioned before, this is where you can add your second category and your third category. What is very important is that your main category, for instance Mercedes-Benz dealer, must be your first category and not second or third. Another thing most people are missing is the hours of operation. Now again, make sure the times is exactly the same as on your website, because Google will match the hours of operation. Also remember to add some images, add a short summary of your company, who you are and where you are situated, and you can also include your phone number. The next step will be to verify your business. This is also one of the important sections that people don't follow through. If your business has not been verified, you will not be able to edit, change your name, or view any insights. Alright, so once you clicked on the verify button, check if all the information is correct and click on the arrow. Google will now send a postcard to that address, so make sure your staff reception is aware of this. Now Google say it will take 1 to 2 weeks, but I will not rely on that. Rather keep a reminder to follow up at least twice a week after 2 weeks. I will also highly recommend adding someone's name in the optional contact field. This is just another way of playing it safe. Right, so give it a week or so and search for your business in Google to see if the page has been indexed. You can also search on your smartphone to see what it looks like. Right, I hope this training was of value to you, and if you need more information how your business can get an 80% unfair advantage over your competitors, then visit our website, complete the contact form and let us call you. Alternatively, you can call me on 021 300 8712.